All right, we are moving on with the final round. That is our dance battle. Are you ready?
I think you should have singing battle, yeah.
No.
Why dance battle?
We can
I'll
dance
dance
with
and then
her
he'll
also.
sing. You know that. Then it's a battle.
Okay, shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Done.
All right, we are moving on with our final round. That is called as dance battle. And या राउंडाक मुझे बरोबर आसा the famous David Furtado आणि Akshada Talawlikar. So,
Okay.
ready?
All
Okay.
set. All set.
This is a ball of chits. There are nice, cute circles over here. Okay. So, किती दिसता तुमका phone?
Boy, dista.
Will understand? Okay. You know what? 5 chits aha.
Okay.
So, एकल्याक 2. Last हाती together. The action that you get, you need to put it in a dance form.
Okay.
आता डेव्हिड बाबतीत जायते कोरिओग्राफ केला.
नाही जाऊ अक्षता शिकवतो
ना ना actually त्याने केल्यावर बरं.
नाचतो तो आहे.
Alright. So, according to the action, you need to put the dance.
Okay.
Ready?
Done.
So, who's going first?
I think David. David, go. Yeah. Chal.
You seriously want to go first? Okay.
Let me get some ideas.
What is it? Can you flash it to the camera?
Look at this
Nagin
time.
dance.
Nagin? Oh, the most easy that we do for our shows.
Alright, and your time starts now.
कसला रे?
You got it? You got the step? That's how choreography works. Alright, Akshada, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm praying.
Pick it up.
Om Namo DFDA Namaha.
You have a choreographer with you, don't worry.
Washing machine dance? Oh my god.
Washing machine dance. You know how the washing machine works?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, done.
Alright, okay.
Okay, done.
Alright, and your time starts now. The washing machine dance. Yes. That's how the washing machine works. Yes.
Done.
Alright, next chit by David.
कार्या
Ozana, तू excited है म्हणून तुझ्या फावरा हा गेम नाहीस.
हा वय
Wow. Bathroom
that?
cleaning.
You are getting all the impossible. Bathroom cleaning dance.
The women doing Nagin, bathroom. Wow, kya baat hai.
Alright, and your time starts now. The bathroom cleaning dance. Wow.
Experience.
तू स्वतः bathroom clean करता.
Woo! Amazing. Oh, wow.
Come on. Yes. Put some water now. Alright, okay. And the next one, Akshada.
Final one. Okay. Wish me luck.
बेस्ट ऑफ लक
What is it?
Football.
इझी रे
Football dance.
Hockey kalpache tu hai hanga. Hockey dance. Oh, okay, fine. Done.
Alright, and now the other one is the football dance. Your time starts now.
Football was required.
Yes, the choreographer can help.
बस गो पुढे हा
What now? Football ko
बोला,
kya
बोला.
kar exactly.
व्हेरी गुड
What I should done now?
Alright.
Oh, nice.
Last is the final one. Anybody pick up?
अक्षता
दोनों
please.
साथ में.
दोनों
Okay, you pick it up and give it to him.
Yeah, correct. Take.
See if it's in your favor.
ओरे दिस इज हर फेवरेट आई थिंक
Oh, cricket
Well,
dance.
क्रिकेट
that should be the boys' party.
No, it is good cricket. You do bowling, I will dance.
Cricket dance together.
And the final round, we have 2 celebrities together. That is David and Akshada. Give it up for them. And their time starts now. 20 seconds to go. Cricket dance.
Ah, bowling. तू घाल bowling.
Wow.
Yes, 6.
What is it?
4. आणि करा.
Six.
No, 20 seconds.
हा, हे, 30 minutes.
आवड एकदा घालपायची नाही तुका.
Comedy
तू मागे